You might recognize the site from my lawn overhaul video. My dad and I overhauled this entire backyard in a day, and the front yard and the side yard. It was quite a project.
Oh, just a few weeks.
Catch the link there if you haven't seen it already. But now I'm going to turn it into a garden, and while I would love to use the entire space as a garden this summer, realistically I just don't think it's going to happen. It's June already and I'm not going to have the time to do what I would ideally like to do. In order to turn the whole backyard into a garden, I would have to first rent a tiller, till all of the soil, put on new topsoil, and then I'd probably want to start from seed if I was doing that, and seeing as it's mid-June already, it's not going to happen. Set up an interim solution using IKEA storage bins, affordably priced, they're easy to access. We have Penguin pickups in Toronto, so I can just order the IKEA bins online and pick them up down the street from my home. Super simple and easy, and I can definitely use them again in the future. They're not going to go to waste once this project is over. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into it. I bought 5 of the Samo storage bins from IKEA. I found them by searching underbed storage box on their website. They were $11.99 each Canadian, and Penguin pickup was $5 and took about a week and a half to arrive. $65 in total is less than the cost of building one garden box or buying a large concrete planter. While I usually go for quality, in this case I needed a cheaper and faster solution. I can use these containers in my garden for years to come. To make these storage bins into a container garden, I needed to make drainage holes to allow excess water to flow through. To do this, I used a cordless drill and made holes 3 inches apart along the bottom of the bins. They will need a lot of holes. To pull the drill out, put it in reverse, otherwise it will get stuck in the plastic. It took about 20 minutes to make all of the holes. I then filled the bins with moisture lock soil from Miracle Grow. I used this soil because it would allow me to leave the garden for a couple days in between watering, making it a super low maintenance project. It's a very hot and sunny day out here, but my plants are thriving. The bins are filled roughly 6 inches deep with soil, which is suitable for herbs, but would not be deep enough for hardier plants with deeper root systems. I found that 6 seedlings was the sweet spot for each bin. The bins with 8 seedlings felt a little overcrowded. Because this container garden is low to the ground, they are more susceptible to weeds and pests than my balcony container garden, so I frequently pull weeds from the beds to maintain them. The lawnmower took a chunk out of the corner of one bin, but it is still growing well. That is something to watch out for. My chamomile is starting to grow some beautiful little buds, but unfortunately some of the plants have aphids, so I'm going to have to find a solution to this. I found a few natural solutions online that I'm going to try. I'm making my own aphid soap wash for my plants because I cannot leave knowing that they're covered in aphids. Okay, I can't do this and film. Hold on. The aphid wash is just soapy water that I put on the plants and let dry. Then I washed it off and the bugs came off with it. It was really effective. Overall, I'm very happy with the performance of my IKEA container garden. It was quick and easy to put together and did not require any heavy lifting or expensive components. The plants are abundant and I am a happy gardener. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you get a chance to try out the IKEA container garden for yourself. Of course, you can use any container. It does not have to be these specific ones from IKEA. And if you do try it out, be sure to leave a comment to let me know. This is also a great time to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Bye.